Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is, do you have any concerns about your hair? Wala na siyang glow, hindi na siya shiny, hindi na siya healthy, tangled hair na siya, at higit sa lahat, hindi na siya healthy. Okay, so what we are going to talk about right now is how to repair your damaged hair. You don't need to worry so much about that because we have one and only one product that could address to your concerns. Yes, you heard it right. Isang product lang, isang organic product lang ang kailangan natin dito para ma-restore yung magandang hair natin. Okay? So, my hair, kakaligo ko lang. So, walang blower yan. Yan. Isang beses lang ako nag-supply. Okay, but before anything else, I'd like to impart something para sa ating lahat. I think would boost the inner self of women watching out there sa ating video na to. Okay, so it runs this way. You don't need to be just aces. You need to be originally aces. Okay? Please subscribe. For those of you who have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell as well so that you'll get notified every time I publish another one. Okay, without further ado, ayokong nag-aantay kayo because, well, what I've mentioned earlier is you just need to have one and only one organic product that can restore the glow, the healthy, shiny hair that you would want to achieve. Okay, magkano ba ang magagamit natin dito? We are talking about expenses. Okay, is one and only one product, an organic product, which is my very loved coconut oil. I have a lot here, coconut oil. In fact, this one was cooked last June, so meron pa akong kalahati dito. And I have another bottle here. This one was cooked recently lang, like last week lang. So, how much ba ang pinag-uusapan natin dito? Ang isang bilog na nyog natin dito, you have it grated sa market, sa wet market, that is 35 pesos only. And malaki na siya, maganda na siya. We are talking about one only. So, that alone, yung coconut oil na yon ay pwede nang mag-restore para may ibalik yung glow, healthy, silky, shiny, and bouncy hair of yours. Okay, are you very passionate of having your hairs done? Yan, nagtatagal ba kayo sa salon or nagtatagal ba kayo sa in front of the mirror fixing your hair before even you go out? So, eto na yung remedy natin dyan. Ang gagawin mo lang dito is, of course, put 2 teaspoon here, yan, empty. Okay, put something in here, 2 lang, 2. Sa akin, siguro, yeah, 2 tablespoon would be enough. So, I'm gonna put some. Tansyahin lang natin. So, that is 2 tablespoon of coconut oil. Okay, and so that's 35 pesos. And this one, you can consume this one in 1.5 months or 2. Kasi ano siya like twice a week mong gagamitin. Well, do the math. Like you're just spending 4 pesos per application. Now, if you would want to do it like every other day, ako kasi twice a week because I was able to achieve na yung desired na healthy glow, and silky hair ko na. So for you, those of you who would like to try, you can do it every other day para ma-achieve nyo talaga yung goal niyo. So there again, I'm telling you, you are just spending like about 4 pesos per application. This alone can restore your hair. But to me, since I did a lot of experimentation dahil nandito lang naman ako sa bahay, I want to share one more which is also very affordable, and that you can just grab quickly from your pantry. And that is calamansi or lemon. If you're gonna add some lemon or calamansi to the coconut oil, then it's up to you. If you wouldn't want to have it, then okay lang din kung coconut oil na lang din siya. Okay, so much for that. So, this is the coconut oil. So, I prefer to have calamansi or lemon because I'd like to address the scalp as well. I will show you how muna. Okay, this one. Yan. So you are ready to apply to your hair. Like what I mentioned earlier, the reason why I'm putting some lemon or calamansi is that I would also want to address yung scalp natin. Kasi minsan itchy na siya, dala nung laging nagpapa-color, ganyan, and then hindi naman talaga ako nagpapa-hot oil or keratin oil sa salon. My hairstylist knows about that. Pam! Tell them about it. Okay. So after that, pagka na-mix mo na siya, pagka na-mix mo na siya, can you see it? Baka matapon lang kasi. So ito na siya yung na-mix natin. All you need to do is get hair color applicator. Pero kung wala ka namang hair color na applicator, you can use this one. Bulak. Okay. Do it this way. And then, dip mo lang siya dito. Apply evenly to your hair. Ganyan. Apply mo lang siya. Isama mo na rin yung scalp para ma-address na rin yung scalp na concern natin. After that, what you will do is suklay-suklayin mo siya, ganyan-ganyanin mo siya for you to achieve na ma-spread yung oil niya evenly. And then you do it this way. You do it this way. Okay, medyo basa-basa pa yung hair ko kasi gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo na even without blow dry, na-achieve ko talaga yung desired na shiny, healthy, and bouncy hair na I used to have na talaga this one when I was still in high school. Talagang straight, naturally straight na siya. But when I started having it colored, ang dami-dami niyang bleaching, highlights, color, lahat na nandun na, diba? And I don't want to have it done naman sa parlor, yung keratin oil and then yung hot oil. So, eto na tayo. After na nagawa mo na yan, very, very quick lang itong ginagawa natin and this is very, very simple. This is very easy to do it at home. Home remedy. You can do it by yourself or you can ask the help of your ate or yung si Achi, si Shobe, or yung ating helper na mabait, di ba? After that, all you need to do is you need to have a hair clamp or like this one. Tatalian mo siya para itataas natin kasi. Tataas natin. Yes. Are we done? Are we ready? So this is how it looks like. Next one is get your towel na. Kahit luma, okay lang yung luma. As long as hindi siya ganun kakapal. And this one can easily be wrapped sa head mo. Enough lang. Ang gagawin mo naman dito sa towel is soak mo siya sa mainit na tubig. Yes, you heard it right. Mainit na tubig lang yung katapat niya. Huwag naman yung tumutulo kasi pipigaan mo naman siya. And then huwag naman yung tumutulo kasi baka mamaya lalo tayong magka-problema sa scalp pagka nasunog. Kung masyadong mainit. Pag masyadong mainit, diba? Okay. Okay, alimbawa basa na yan. Basa na ng mainit na tubig. All you need to do is wrap it around your hair, your head, like that. Wrap it. Okay. Hanggang sa lahat ay matakpan. Remember, ito ay basa sa mainit na tubig. Yung kaya nyo lang kasi baka mamaya kung masyado naman yung mainit, Diyos ko po, magiging problema din yan. Okay, so we are almost done. The next thing that you need to do is get your shower cup. As simple as that, as easy as that, as affordable as that, in 1 or 2 times na gagamit ka nito, you will be able to achieve the desired na health, the desired na glow, na softness ng inyong hair, and then magiging silky na siya, magiging bouncy na siya. But you know what? I want to share you something kasi I do it on a Saturday or yung holiday, yung wala akong pasok the following day, no? But since I am working from home, I have all the time to do it. I do it like after office hours. And then, wait lang, like 30 minutes or so, ganyan. After I rinse this one, pagka naka-shampoo na ako, on day 1, hindi ko siya nalalagyan ng conditioner. Why? I'd like to feel yung talagang oil niya. Gusto ko talaga yung, lalo na pagka medyo tanghali na yung hair ko kasi talagang nagmamantika yung hair ko talaga. So kahit nag-shampoo, pero walang conditioner still, tapos kakalagay mo lang ng oil na ganyan, mafe-feel mo talaga, makikita mo talaga yung talagang pag pinawisan ka, medyo basa yung ulo mo, ganyan. Ang sarap ng feeling, ang lambot-lambot lang talaga. Okay, on day 2, doon ako nagko-conditioner. And there you go. Sobrang soft, sobrang silky, nagbabounce na yung hair mo, and pagka sinuklay mo siya, isang beses ka na lang magsuklay, and then you can just use your fingers to comb your hair. So that's what I'm doing. So for you to achieve yung natural hair na you've lost na, believe me, I can guarantee you that this alone, you can achieve a soft, bouncy, silky, shiny, healthy hair. All in one. Plus, the scalp concern, yung scalp mo, maa-address dyan. Believe me. Baka meron kang flakes dyan, you just have to massage it all over and mawawala yung balakuba. Okay, we call it balakuba. So after that, ready na. Ready to go to the shower. Yan. O, para din akong nakaano talaga. But this one kasi bagong ligo lang kasi ako. That's why medyo damp pa siya ng konti. Okay. So, you will be able to achieve like this hair. Okay. So, kahit hindi mo na siya suklayin ng matagal, you just have to do it this way. Aalagaan mo na lang siya like using that every week. The least is every week. Huwag mong kakaligtaan. Lalo-lalo na kung mahilig ka talagang nagpapa-color, nagpapa-highlights, ganyan. Pagka split ends naman, outright hindi naman siya makukuha in 2 times. Hindi siya makukuha in 2 times. Kasi nandyan na siya, yung split ends eh. So, what you need to do is, patrim mo lang siya ng konti para matanggal yung mga split ends niya. And then, continue using this one. The power of glow, the power of shine, the power of healthy, silky, and bouncy hair in just one organic product, and that is 35 pesos. So if you are doing the math, it's 35 pesos plus a lemon, sabihin mo ng 50 pesos isa, so less than 100 pesos for 1.5 months. Yeah, so we are done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to impart something. So, dun lang tayo sa mga mura, yung mga affordable lang, easy to grab from the pantry, di ba? Ang dali-dali niyang gawin. So, next time, do not miss out the next episode because I'm going to share with you very, very, very wonderful tip again para sa atin mga kababaihan. So, I hope you guys find this one informative and helpful. So, if you do, please, I need your support. I need your help para naman i-endorse ni YouTube ang aking videos. You just don't know how important to me yung isang subscription niyo. So, for now, bye! I'll see you again next time. Stay safe, everyone. God bless and peace out.